does a lot of things you boys and girls like to do. One of her favorite things is rollerblading. Yeah, she's got her own little teeny tiny pint-sized pair of rollerblades. Let's take a look. Oh, would you look at that grace and skill? Hey, I just hope she doesn't follow the ways of some of our young people here on Earth and want to shave her head and pierce her beak. Nicely done there, Princess Flya. And of course, the more exchange we had with the little aliens, they showed a lot of interest in our structured life and how we live, and they were especially interested in our monetary system. So we gave them some money. We told them how you do it, and you go spend it and have some fun. And we said, go have some fun, and we'll give you more. Imagine our surprise when instead of spending the money, all they ever want to do is save it. Every bit of it. By putting it into a little bank, sort of like this right here. Now, watch what I mean. We don't know why they won't spend that money. We give it to them every day and plenty of it. All they ever seem to want to do is a fancy little moonwalk like that and then throw it in the bank. Well, if he keeps this up, he'll be the richest alien on this planet, Commander Claw. Hey, another strange thing is the way that they sleep. Get this, they don't sleep all night long like you or I do. Instead, they take short little naps all throughout the day and the night. Looks like he's about ready to take one of those unusual little naps right about now. Weird, isn't it? But the strange thing is the little aliens sleep with their eyes open. Can you see that? What's really bizarre, though, these little naps, they don't last very long. See what I mean? Sure hope you can stay awake for the rest of the meeting here today, Commander. And we spent a lot of time with the little aliens, and we learned a lot from them, but after a while, it seemed like they were starting to get a little bored. We didn't really know quite what to do about it. One day, one of our scientists said, hey, give them this ball. Maybe they'll kick it around. Have a friendly little fun or so. Imagine our surprise when they did something that was totally unexpected. We don't have a clue why they do this. Our scientists say it might have something to do with the reduced gravity here on Earth. Nicely done, Captain Chirp! Yeah! And of course, he likes to stay in shape. He goes to the gym on a regular basis and works out. He's got this very unusual contraption that he likes to work out on, and we're not really sure how it helps him, but he's very eager to give you a little demonstration of it right now. Look at him go. He's having a blast. It's a beautiful job. It's Captain Chirp, yeah. And we had a lot of meetings in exchange with Princess Flya. So interesting. She was telling us all about the most unusual and interesting way they travel around back on their home planet. They've got some of the most bizarre transportation devices you've ever seen. This is Princess Flya's favorite. She calls it the two-wheeled Land Rover. Now look at it carefully and ask yourself this obvious question. Does that look a lot like what we know here on Earth as a bicycle? I ask you now, coincidence?
I think not.
The beautiful job is Princess Flya! And of course, all of our little aliens like to work out and stay in shape. Commander Claw, he's no exception. He's the largest of all of our aliens, but he also happens to be the strongest. He'd like to demonstrate his remarkable strength to you next. If I can get this thing up here, just a little bit heavy. Hey, show everybody you're the strongest alien in the world. cheering to get in a fight with him. But hey, there he is. In front of your very eyes. Commander Claw, the strongest alien in the world. I know. You're all wondering by now just what enabled these remarkable little aliens to travel halfway across the galaxy and visit us here on planet Earth. Why, they have a space program many centuries ahead of our own. One of their most brilliant scientists, the Dr. Albert Einstein, developed this little device to help prepare their little bodies for the rigors of space travel. It's called the Spinning Gravity Accelerator. Oh, he's on his way now. Swinging that little body back and forth. Each time, raising himself a little higher and higher into the air. Now he's got one thing on his mind and one thing only, and that's to go all the way over the top. If he does, we'll give him a nice round of applause, so get set. Ho, 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 ho. Straining. Whoa. Climbing. Yeah. Ho, 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 ho. Reaching for the top. Not quite enough. Reaching again now. Ooh. Here we go. We're getting close. Hey. One more big push. This could be it. Reaching again now with everything he's got. Let's give him a nice round of applause. They're working very hard today. Commander Claw. Yeah. Hey, we can't let him do that too many times because, of course, it does put an awful lot of stress on his little body. You might even say it's kind of like going around in the wrong circle. Well, Commander wanted me to remind everybody to please remember what we said in the very beginning. Don't tell anybody what you've seen here today, unless maybe you enjoyed the little presentation. Commander's got a very important message he wants to share with everybody. Let's take a look. And hey, if you'd like to have your photo taken with some of our beautiful little alien friends, see Kalia with the camera right over here. This is a lot of fun because you actually get to hold them on your arms, on your head. Get a beautiful souvenir photo with your cell phone or camera for $5. You can print one out for $10. Either way, you take it right away. And one